So I have been walking around. I just arrived just now and I saw this man here. He cleans shoes, so I want to give him my shoe to clean it. There's a few like things in my shoe as well I want to fix. You can see like here there's a bit of hole, like it's not a hole but this needs a bit of fixing. I told him a bit of glue. I don't know if he can do anything with this here, but we'll give it a try. Let's take it off. This is pretty much his setup, you know, like he's got everything he needs. Let's see what he's gonna do with it. This shoes has seen better days, but my god, like I have used them and I got so much miles on them. So it's just like a quick glue, I guess. Give it a longer life. Yeah, he's just applying the glue. It's amazing how he can sit like this. I'm so tired, I need to move constantly. Oh, you can fix this? Sure, yeah, go for it. Oh, I didn't even ask him for it. So it's like, it's the same as this side here. See, there's this hole. They're in both shoes. Sure, why not? Oh, he's actually like going in. Yeah, it definitely makes a huge difference. These shoes have seen better days. I've used them a lot. So this is like, this was the brush he was using first, and they're all they're all steel here, right? And now he's gonna give it a bit of with the soap. To be fair, I've been wanting to give them a good clean for quite some time now. Look at the differences here. He's even showing it to me. Yeah, before and after shot. Not sure what the spray is. Final wipe. Finish. Look at this now. Wow. The before and after. Amazing. And this is like the stitch that he did in this side here. Very new, yes. How much? Total? 150. So let me pay him. 150 is the total. Shukriya. Thank you very much. Amazing. Great investment. For those who are wondering, 150 is like, what was it? About, let's say 75 cents? No, actually less. Yeah, about 65 cents. Bargain. And feels good actually. Nice.